Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to delete installed or custom theme in Windows 11 or 10. So click on Start, Settings. Here click on Personalization. Then here guys you can see. So here guys you will see themes which is installed on your machine. So if you want to delete any theme, so just right click on it, and here you will see option delete. So select another theme and delete it. If you install any custom theme, so you will be able to delete any custom theme like this. So this is the quick and easy way to delete a theme in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.